Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a peanut butter lover like me but looking for a healthier alternative, today's review is for you. We are diving into PBfit all-natural peanut butter powder, a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts and peanut butter addicts alike. Stick around to see how it stacks up in taste, nutrition, and versatility. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with what PBfit actually is. Unlike traditional peanut butter, PBfit is a powdered peanut butter made by pressing out most of the oils from roasted peanuts. The result: 87% less fat and about 1/3 fewer calories than regular peanut butter. Plus, it's all natural, gluten-free, and contains no added preservative, just roasted peanuts, coconut palm sugar, and a dash of salt. Compared to traditional peanut butter, this is a game changer for anyone looking to cut calories while keeping the delicious peanut butter taste. Now, let's talk about the most important part: the taste. When mixed with water, it creates a smooth, peanut buttery spread. Let's try it. Takes a bite. Okay, it definitely has that rich roasted peanut flavor, but it's slightly less creamy than traditional peanut butter. You do get a subtle sweetness, thanks to the coconut palm sugar, but it's not overpowering. If you're used to natural peanut butter, you'll probably love this. What I really love about PBfit is how versatile it is. You can use it in so many ways: blend it into smoothies, stir it into oatmeal, add it to protein shakes, or even bake with it. It's perfect for making low-calorie peanut butter treats without sacrificing flavor. You can even sprinkle it on yogurt or ice cream for an extra boost of peanut goodness. Lower in fat and calories than regular peanut butter, high in protein, great for fitness goals, natural ingredients, no artificial additives, versatile, can be used in smoothies, baking, and more. Not as creamy as traditional peanut butter, mildly sweetened. So if you like unsweetened peanut butter, you might prefer the PBfit original no sugar added version. Needs to be mixed, not as convenient as just scooping out regular peanut butter. Overall, though, the benefits definitely outweigh the drawbacks. So, is PBfit worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're trying to cut back on calories, get more protein, or just add a peanutty punch to your recipes, PBfit is a fantastic alternative to traditional peanut butter. I personally love using it in my protein shakes and overnight oats. If you want to try it yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Let me know in the comments how you like to use PBfit, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and healthy food tips. See you next time.